In front of me is OPPO Reno13 FS 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard. Now click on microphone icon at the top right corner. If you don't have it, select this gear. Select voice typing from keyboard settings and tap on gray switcher to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard. Now click on finely visible microphone. Hit while using the app and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or click on the same microphone again. But you can also tap on it and then click on tiny icon right next to it. Select next, then done. And now you can operate voice typing from here. If you want to start or stop, tap on the same microphone. If you want to delete text on the go, you can do that from here. If you want to manage all of the available options of voice typing and your keyboard now, click on those three lines at the bottom left corner and operate all of those. To go back to standard keyboard, click on this keyboard icon, also at the bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!